5-minute cheesecake for 2. Now this cream cheese recipe is just almost like instant cheesecake. I'm just going to take 2 little containers. They can be a bowl, they can be a cup, just whatever you want to use. I'm just going to kind of give them a spray with some non-stick spray. Take a little milk. Now this way you do not have to worry about a graham cracker crust. I mean, you could make these as small as you want it, as big as you want it. You can use any kind of cookies. These are vanilla wafers. I could have just as soon as used animal crackers. I could have used Oreo cookies. Just any of that would have worked. And I'm just wetting these cookies down with milk. Now, if I was cooking from the pantry, didn't have any fresh milk, I could have used canned milk, I could have used half and half, just whatever I happen to have in hand. And then I also have the option, now I could just do the bottom, or I can also do the sides. Now you don't want to leave them in the milk too long because they'll start getting too soft. So I can go ahead and just decorate the sides with this. And it's really just a matter of how much your family likes the cookies in their cheesecake. That part done. Okay, now for the absolutely easiest part. I've got 3 ounces of softened cream cheese in here. I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of heavy cream that is cold. 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar that I have sifted. And a teaspoon of vanilla. Now all I've got to do is whip this up. Okay, now just look how quick and easy that was. Now you could top this with any kind of fruit. Canned pie filling, cherry pie filling would be great on this. Some sweetened strawberries. You could even top it with maybe some crumbled cookies. I mean, this is fast and easy. You could actually eat it right now, but if it stayed in the icebox for a good 30 minutes, it's going to be just a little bit firmer, and I think a little bit colder. That would make it a little bit better. But this will, if you got a snack attack and you want something now, this is going to be it. Now all I had on hand was strawberry jam, so that's what I topped it with. Like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss even more cream cheese recipes at Homemade Cooking in Texas.